Lisa with WTI. Are you tired of searching for things in your dark closet or in your dark pantry? Don't worry about it because I have the solution right here for you. I love this OxyLED motion light. I love the size. It's very practical. It really comes with the adhesive tape. It does need batteries, but once you insert them, you're gonna see how wonderfully bright this is. My husband and I were looking forward to it, especially to place it in our closet. It tends to be super dark, so I want you to see how it looked before, but once he placed it there, I loved how much light it brought. Now I can find every piece of clothes we're looking for. This is so convenient. This is so nice too because again, it's motion detected, but if it doesn't detect anybody, 18 seconds, it'll completely turn off, not needing to use your battery. There's no need to be in the dark when you have found the OxyLED light. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.